Greetings from me. So here is a problem. Problem number three, median type, and problem is longest substring. We have to find longest substring without repeating any character. So what will be the approach of us? We will first select. Let's assume that we have a string A B C. Like simple. Let's take this. We have a string like P W W K E W. Okay. What will we do first? We will make the possible substrings of this string. All the possible substrings. Okay. Then first made it, and now let's start for I and as sorry we will take a range from 0 to length of as. Okay, now because we are going to make a string, we have to we will add p with w, then we will add p with ww, then we will add p with wwk, so we'll make all the possible substrings with this. So for this we need a nested loop. So for j and range I plus 1 with the length of len st, sorry, as plus 1. Okay, sorry, plus 1. I'm doing this plus 1 and here not plus 1 because I'm using j with a strategy that string equals to as I from j. Okay, so it will take I is here 0 to j. And what is j? J is going to start from I plus 1, means from 1. Okay, so we know that in this syntax it will not, it will for example, if here we have like as from 0 to 4, then it will 0 to 3, then it will print 0 1 and 2 indexes, not 3. So we are taking 1 plus because we need last index also in the substring, so we are going to add plus 1 only for this, not anything more. Okay, so here we will add we will then make list. So listing equals to this. So we are initializing a listing variable with the default and now we will append this string into listing. Okay, listing dot append string. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm creating all the possible substrings of the given string. So and I'm appending that strings into a listing. Now if I print listing, then see what I'm going to take. Here's the indentation. Where's the indentation problem is? Okay, so it is saying that return 0. So I'm not applying anything only. I'm just want to see what's the print state listing has. So here's we have that these are the possible substrings which are now we made from this string. We have this string, and by doing this function, we are getting all the possible substrings. Now what we have to do further? Return 0, cross it. Now we have to find all the substrings where we are getting we have to remove and filter all the substrings we are getting repeated characters. We don't want any repeated characters. Okay, so we applying a function def remove strings, remove duplicates. Okay, duplicates, and it will get a string substring, and let's change it to st. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to do for, we have to do for loop for I in st. Let's change this to char in st there. And we will declare a string st ring current. Let's like current string. Okay, just for the sake of convenience. Now we'll do that if char in st, not in st. Okay, not in st, what we want to do, string plus equals to st. Okay, and elif char in st, then we will return false. Else and if we find not any character in the repeated character, then what we will return in the end, we will return in the end return in the end true. And if we are returning true, then it means that there is no character repeating. So first of all, st has, let's suppose abc, the loop will run for 3 times. First times it will get a, and it will check st string. Sorry, here we are getting char in st. Oh, sorry. Okay, so what I want to do, that if char means first index of st is not in current setting, which is empty now, so we will add to this. Okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, then current setting will hold that index value. And if char in st found, if char in found, then we will return false, that duplication found. We will not allow this to enter in a new list. Okay, so here's now a new function, filters. Okay, so what will I do? It's simply running a for loop for I in listing. Now we are going to filter that strings which have duplications. Okay, so I will apply, I will take a string, list string equals to this. Okay, okay, list string equals to I, let's, for convenience, stri. Okay, listing, so first index of listing will be stored in the list string, for this list string, and now we will pass this list string to the remove duplicate, sorry. So we will copy from it and paste from here. Okay, and we will pass this to list string. What we're doing, we are passing list string to above functions and applying if remove list dot equals true, then it means that there is no duplicate values in this. Then we will make a new list where we have no duplications, and we will append that a string to new list. Okay, you are getting my point? I hope you are getting. So what we apply, list string. So if really there is no duplications and we're getting true value from here, then we will append that string to new list. Okay, now what we have all the, we have the strings which have no duplication, so we will print now this new. So I can see that from here to here I'm getting all the possible substrings, and from here to here I'm getting the substrings which have no duplicates. Okay, just let's see, here we have a substring a b c a, but here we have not that substring because a is duplicating here. So we got those which are not which doesn't have any duplications. Now we have to list which is which one is maximum from here. Okay, so what we will do, we will make a new list, like second new list, second new and list, second new list. Then what will we do, we will do like for I for I in, let's suppose we are going to take like for I in new list. Then for I in new list, we have to find that if I, first we'll find maximum length. Okay, so first we'll find maximum length, like max length from here equals to max. And what will we do here, len, and max len. What will I come here, string, for string in new list. So here we will get maximum length of the length, maximum length of the substring from this new list. Okay, so now we will apply for loop for I in new list if len of I equals to max length, then we will proceed. Else we have no need to proceed because we have to find maximum length, and if it's not maximum, then what's the need to do further? Okay, so we will first let that length of I equals to maximum length. If maximum, then we will proceed to further check if I in s. What is doing this? Let's suppose here I'm getting c a and b. Okay, and here I have c a and b in the substring, in the string. So if I have c a b in the string, then we will get it, otherwise we will not get it. Okay, okay, if this, then list string equals to list string will be equals to what, list string will be equals to current stri, and we will return length. Okay, simply return length, no need to do further, len of I. Okay, no need to go further, and remove this too. Okay, now let's run it, what we are getting, and it is accepting because first we do first we take all these possible substrings, then we'll make it to like which substrings have no duplications. Then from that list we took those which are which have maximum length, and which is have maximum length, then we'll return that maximum length. Okay, this was the basic, and we passed all the test cases. So I hope you would like it. It's a very simple, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, happy coding.